In this video, I'll show you how to safely use cheat engine to get ultimate cash and tokens in NFS Payback with this easy tutorial. Check my video description for this cheat engine download link. Double click on the exe and select yes, select the English and install. Next, skip all for this ads. Once installation done, finish. Now make sure the game is running in the background. Inside this, select your process to open. Inside this need for speed payback and open. In hex, go back to the game. Now I'm going to increase my token. My current token is 46,828. Note down and then alt tab. In hex, type the value 46,828. Once you're done, select first scan. Select one of these in this list and press Ctrl plus A to select all and select this icon to copy all selected item. Again do the same thing, Ctrl plus A and right click, change record and select value. Type the value you like to increase. For this tutorial, I'm going to increase this token to like this. Select OK. Once you're done, go back to the game. Just press the escape key. Again, press the escape key, tab key. And as you can see, the values are changed. Do the same thing for the money. Before doing that, you need to note down the current money you have: 34125 387, 34125 387, and then alt tab. Now you need to delete all those things selected. Select this icon to delete all address from the list. Select yes, and now select this new scan option. In hex value, type the current money you have. In my case, 34125 387, 34125 387. Once you type the correct value, select this first scan option. Select one of these value and press Ctrl plus A to select all. And select this icon, copy all selected items to the address list. And select one of these in address list and press in Ctrl plus 8 to select all. Right click and select change record and select value. Type the value you want to increase the money. I'm gonna set it to 3, 6, 9, 10, and then select OK. Once you type the value, go back to the game, press escape key and again press the tab key. You can able to see how much money it has: 1.4 billion. And this way you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.